Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about comparison operators. So let's get started. Now whenever we are dealing with programming, operators plays a very important role when we would like to make some decisions, and definitely comparison operators are yet a very important set of operators which we will largely use. When it comes to Python, using the operators are very simple. For example, in here I create a variable where we use the name as my name, and for example we compare, or we would like to test whether the name contains my name or not. So what we can do it like this: name equals to. Now when I will run this, Python will compare the string which is stored in name, and then it will compare it with this particular text in here, and if both of the values are same, then it will return true, right? Now the equality operator, equal to, in here we use two equal to's because the single equal to symbolizes the assignment operator. Alright, so likewise, for example, in here I copy it right away and use my name again, but this time the C in my name could be like in a lowercase, then it will return false. So when it comes to what we say string, it will be definitely case sensitive. Now we can also for example directly compare strings. For example, study easy equal to testing, right? Both of these texts are definitely not same, and this will return false. All right, now moving forward, let me show you a couple of comparison between different type of data. Now data type is again very important. For example, I type in 10 equal to 10, then what would be the outcome? Definitely this is true. Well, if I type in 10 equal to 10.0, will it be equal? Let me show you. In this case, it will again show up equal because 10.0 can be easily casted to 10, right? But for example, I type in 01 in here, 10 equal to 10.01, this will return false. Alright, so this is how the comparison works. We can compare float to integer, which is okay. We can check float with float, no problem. In fact, let me use 1.5. Oops, there would be double equals. Here is the true operation. So this is how we can compare to string or to floating point or to integer, or any kind of data can be compared like this. Alright, so this is nice. In fact, let me also show you comparing to list. For example, list 1 is 1, 2, 3, right? Let me copy this, let me paste it in here, let me create a yet another list by the name of list 2. Here we go. And now can we compare list 1 with list 2? Let me show you. And this will give us true. So any type of data can be compared very easily, no rocket science. Now let me show you the not equal to operator. So similar to equal to, for example, we wish to compare not equals to, then we can do it like this. This will definitely return false because list 1 and list 2 are same, right? So this will return false. Likewise, for example, I type in Chand, which is a string, not equal to study easy, definitely this will return true. So this is the not equal to operator. Now we also have the less than, greater than signs. Let me show you. For example, I type in 5 is less than 10. Well, this is true, definitely true. So this will give true. Likewise, we can type in 5 is greater than 10. Well, this will return false. Or for example, we type in 5 is less than 5. Well, will it return true or false? Well, if we go with this symbol, 5 is definitely not less than 5. This should give us false. But there is a yet another version of the comparison operator which also have the equal to sign. In this case, this will return true. Likewise, we also have greater than equal to sign, which do the same, but it will compare greater than equal to. So in here, if I type in 10 is greater than equal to 5, well, this is again true. 4 is greater than equal to 5, well, this will be false. So these are couple of comparison operator. In fact, we can also use like this, Chand is greater than. Now both the strings are same, but the case is different. What would be the outcome? It would be false. Is it greater than Chand? No. But why this is the case? Let me also show you. Now, for example, we compare two characters. For example, capital case A compared with lowercase a. Now definitely this will give us false because the ANSI value of capital case A and smaller case a are different. For example, I type in is capital case A is greater than lowercase a. The answer would be false. Indeed, capital case A is smaller than lowercase a. Now the comparison is based on ANSI values. Let me quickly show you the ANSI value. Now the capital case A's ANSI value is for example 65 and it is 97. Let me reconfirm this. Here is the ANSI table. So smaller case A is 97 whereas capital case A is 65. Perfect. So this is how the comparison takes place. Definitely when we will like code more sophisticated programming using Python, usage of operators would be heavy and your concept with operators would be furthermore enhanced. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.